Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Now You See Art. Today I am going to talk about art files or art portfolios. Every artist must have an art file. If you are a beginner or you are a school student and you plan to go to a design college, you must start building your own art file. Now here you are going to see or you are seeing this file that I got from a shop, and this one has already got these plastic flaps attached to the file, and I can easily insert my drawings, paintings inside it, and it will look nice and it will be long lasting. And this is a handmade file, and in this I got these flaps loose from a stationery shop, and I have attached this to this handmade file. So one thing, you can purchase the whole set of the file, or the second thing is you can make your own file. Now I'm going to show how to make this handmade file tutorial in my next video. Thanks for watching.